The ceremonies to celebrate the 19th edition of Taxpayers Day took place in Bujumbura mayorship at Cercle Hippique and were honored by the Minister of Finance Audace, who represented the President of the Republic in these ceremonies. In his welcome remarks, the mayor of the city of Bujumbura, Jimmy HATUNGIMANA, said that the town hall of Bujumbura houses the majority of the taxpayers. He thanked the Burundian Revenues Office OBR for the way in which it sensitizes the populations to contribute to the development of the country through payment of revenue. In these ceremonies were present the different companies, associations, and cooperatives which are the major taxpayers, like the company Fertilisant Organo Mineral Industry FOMI, the different banks like the Banque Communautaire Agricole Burundi BCAB. Through the technology of telecommunication, we are able to show the share of these associations in tax payment. FOMI company continues to pay taxes on time. Here, he gives an example where FOMI paid more than 80 billion. So that FOMI can have sufficient foreign currency to be able to work easily, FOMI is building a factory in Bukemba in Rutana province, a factory which will produce fertilizers for export. In his speech, the General Commissioner of Burundian Revenues Office OBR, Jean-Claude Manirakiza, said that such a day is celebrated with the aim of congratulating taxpayers for their role played in the development of the country. He thus gave the statistics for this year, 2023 to 2024, i.e., more than 100%, without forgetting the challenges that taxpayers encountered in their daily activities. In his speech of the occasion, the Minister of Finance, Audace, who represented the head of the state, said that paying taxes is a noble mission of every citizen because it allows the country to develop. He thus congratulated the taxpayers who pay tax legally and regularly. Note that this day was celebrated under the theme Let's Pay Taxes to Achieve an Emerging Country. The ceremonies were closed with folk dances.